Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality, high authoritative, do follow and indexable article submission backlink. Okay, so the website name is blogdevink.hr. So this is a website URL. So before the started we can discuss something about that website. So according to HREF the domain rating is 76 and according to similar Moj the domain authority is 89 and the spam score is only 1%, and according to similar web this website drawing 446.1k monthly traffic and the mostly traffic from okay, this is a different type of country. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site, and this site will also provide you a do follow backlink. So this is a very good too. We can use this site for the backlinking. Okay, so the first thing, this is a website URL, and the first thing you can convert it into English, so this would be readable for you, and after that you can click on the register button. And the first thing what you guys have to note, so you can see there is a security question. So Iris was the, if you know the answer you can fill, otherwise you can refresh first, then once you guys will satisfy for the question, so you are able to answer this. Okay, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. Okay, then after that you can fill your all details. There we can choose your password. And after that you can fill your email ID and you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can click on the register me. I guess there is something wrong. There is a user with that username. Okay, so James. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Once you guys will complete these things, then after that this site will send you a verification email, so you guys will verify your profile and where you guys will add your username. So once you guys will complete these things, so you can find that kind of interface. So simply you can click on this button, edit your blogs, and there is a, you can convert it into English. So let me, yeah, here it is. Yeah. So there is a option to, you can add your blog name. So there we can add my blog title. So my blog title should be this one. I can go to pick any blog from my website, another multi-stage interviewing, and after that there I can add some short content. But the your case, you guys will generate a fresh content. Right now I don't have time, so that's why I'm doing these things. So we have added successfully our content. So now the time is to, we can insert a backlink. So the backlink should be multi-stage interviewing. So this is a targeted keyword. So let me add it over there. And after that I can copy, you can copy your blog title a blog URL, and you will see, you can select this keyword, and you will see there is a hyperlink button, so you can click on this and you will fill your website URL, and after that you can choose your tag. So tag should be software, and you can select your category. So this is your category, so you can choose any of this related to your industry, and after that you can click on the publish button. So you will see in the published list section there is a two blocks. So you can see this is my blog title I have recently published, and I can show you, you can click on this and you will see this is your article landing page URL. So this is your brand name and I can show you, so this is a hyperlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow. So you guys will see it's a 100% do follow backlink with contextual, so there is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow article submission backlink on this site. So this is a process for the backlinking. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.